If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your security preferences. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security section within the account settings. Tap on it to view your current security options, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it, and you will see an option to turn it off. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to disable this feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be asked to verify your identity through a confirmation code sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Robinhood account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.